Healthcare costs are rising, employee engagement is falling, and HR teams are stretched thin. So how do you improve workforce health without creating more work? Meet Launch Live, the turnkey wellness event solution delivering food is medicine education at scale. Every month, employees join live, interactive experiences led by registered dietitians and chefs, covering hot topics with credible information that cuts through the noise. But Launch Live does more than educate. It moves employees from awareness to readiness to action. 94% of participants say they plan to take action now or within the next 30 days. Employees love the experience, and because new topics are delivered every month, Launch Live drives consistent engagement all year long. For HR and benefits leaders, everything is handled for you. Annual content calendar, built-in marketing, registration management, post-event Live in 5 highlights, and measurable engagement reporting. No content creation, no operational burden, just a proven way to engage employees, support healthier lifestyles, and maximize the impact of your benefits strategy. Launch Live, moving employees from awareness to action all year long.